Ever opened ChatGPT, typed in "create a brochure" and ended up with a bunch of generic pages? The problem isn't AI, it's how you guide it. Whether you're creating a company brochure, a real estate brochure, or even an event brochure, writing the content is usually the hardest part. But with the right prompts and Flipsnack, ChatGPT becomes your copywriting assistant. So let's dive in. Most people ask ChatGPT to create the brochure in one single prompt. That's how you get generic content. Instead, try giving ChatGPT the context. Tell it something like what you're promoting, who your audience is, what action you want readers to take, and even ask ChatGPT to ask you clarifying questions first. That extra step leads to much stronger brochure copy because AI only works as well as the information you provide. Before writing a single paragraph, ask ChatGPT to build a brochure structure. Instead of one giant wall of text, ChatGPT can recommend what goes on each panel, the purpose of every section, and even the approximate word count. This makes designing your brochure much easier later on. Now that you have the structure, you can start writing each section. Instead of generating the entire brochure in one go, generate each section at a time. Ask ChatGPT to write headlines, product descriptions, benefits, testimonials, and even calls to action. Need more headline ideas? Ask ChatGPT for 5 different versions. What about more CTAs? Ask for 3 more. Treat ChatGPT like a creative partner, not like a one-click brochure generator. Once ChatGPT helps you create the content, it's time to bring it all into Flipsnack and make it into a professional brochure. Upload an existing PDF, start from scratch, or choose one of our professionally designed templates. Then simply replace the placeholder text with your ChatGPT-generated copy. Next, bring your brochure to life with visuals. If you don't have the perfect images yet, simply describe what you need and let Flipsnack generate them with AI. Then, you can even add videos to make your content more dynamic, or turn a static image into an engaging animation with AI Animate. You can also add clickable links that take readers to your website and much more. Once your brochure is ready, it's time to share it with your audience. Send it with a direct link, generate a QR code, or embed it on your website. Finally, track engagement with built-in analytics to see what readers actually interact with, so you can continuously improve your content. Creating a professional brochure doesn't have to start with a blank page. Let ChatGPT help you create the content and then bring it to life with Flipsnack. Click the link in the description and start creating today.